In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove graphics overrides in a Revit view. If you've ever noticed that one element looks bolder, a different color, or has a unique pattern compared to everything else, it probably has a view-specific override. Clearing that override brings the element back in line with your project's standard appearance, which is especially helpful for consistency before printing or sharing your model. Start by selecting the element that has overrides applied. Take a moment to confirm you've got the exact element you want. If necessary, zoom in so you can clearly see the selection. You're looking for the item that visually stands out from its neighbors in that particular view. Selecting the correct element is important because the next command you'll use depends on the context of that selection. With the element selected, right-click directly on it and choose Override Graphics in View. This menu is designed for quick view-level styling, and it's the fastest way to access the controls that were used to change how the element looks on screen and on sheets. Next, decide whether to open the By Element or By Category option. By Element targets only the specific piece you've selected. By Category affects all elements of the same type in this view, such as all doors, all columns, or all ducts. If you're not sure how the change was originally applied, think about what you're seeing. If only one item looks different, it was likely set by element. If many similar items look the same unusual way, it was likely set by category. In the dialog that appears, look for the option to remove overrides. This command clears the custom graphics for this view and restores the default look. If you don't see a single button labeled remove, you can manually reset color, line weight, patterns, and transparency back to their default settings. Either approach achieves the same outcome. The element's special styling is cleared without deleting or altering the model itself. Click OK to confirm. The element should immediately return to its original appearance, matching your project's standard graphics and any view templates in play. If nothing changes, it's possible the element's appearance is being controlled by another mechanism such as a filter or template, but for typical element or category level overrides, this process does the trick. That's all there is to it. Select the element, right-click, open Override Graphics in View, choose by element or by category, remove the overrides, and click OK to restore the original look.